Hello. This diagram explains insolation heat balance of the atmosphere. So here you find insolation, the sun emits rays or energy and it is absorbed by the earth's surface. 100 units of sun's energy or heat do not reach the earth's surface. Here you find on its way 35 units are reflected. It gets back to the outer surface on its way. See, these are all happening in the upper layer of the atmosphere. When you learn the layers of atmosphere, you will know in which part of the atmosphere this is taking place. This is in the outermost layer of the atmosphere. The sun's rays are reflected back. The heat is reflected back to the outer surface. Out of 100 units, 35 units gone back. Then on its way, the atmosphere, because Earth is surrounded by a blanket of air, that is called atmosphere. So atmosphere absorbs 14 units of heat. The remaining, that is 51, is absorbed by the earth, received by the earth. So this incoming solar radiation is known as insolation. It is in the form of short waves. The sun radiates nearly half of its energy at wavelengths of visible light. So, as the insolation enters the atmosphere, a part of it is reflected, another part is absorbed by the atmosphere, and the remaining reaches the earth's surface. The earth sends back, earth does not retain the heat, it sends back the heat. So the reflection of insolation takes place by clouds, snowfields, oceans, and other water bodies. Now let's see what happens here. This is known as terrestrial radiation. What is absorbed by the earth is sent back. The surface of the earth in turn radiates heat in the form of relatively long waves. This is called terrestrial radiation. The sun's heat is radiated by the earth's surface, so it is known as terrestrial radiation. As the amount of energy radiated by the earth is equal to the amount of insolation. So here you find when it is sent back, you find the atmosphere absorbs 34 units of heat, that is nearly 70% of it. The remaining 17 units sent back to outer space. So here you find 48 units together. When it comes to on its way to Earth's surface, the Earth atmosphere absorbs 14 units, and when it goes back to the space, the atmosphere receives the heat, 34 units. So 14 plus 34 units, you get 48 units. If we add these three, you can find there is no loss or gain. What is received is sent back. So that is what meant by insolation heat balance of the atmosphere. So there is no gain or loss for the atmosphere. So this diagram explains that concept. The earth's surface absorbs 51 units of insolation and radiates back the same amount. So there is no net gain or loss by the earth and the atmosphere. The action of the atmosphere may be compared to the action of glass house or greenhouse. Normally, you find glass house or greenhouse in cold regions, the mountainous regions. The greenhouse is used for preserving the vegetables and flowers. The glass house is warmer from inside than outside because glass permits radiation to get in. How? Atmosphere permits radiation to get in. But glass house does not allow radiation to escape out immediately. So the atmosphere surrounding the earth also acts like a greenhouse by permitting insulation to pass through and absorbing terrestrial radiation. So this is known as greenhouse effect of the atmosphere. So the atmosphere acts like a blanket keeping the earth warm. So the diagram explains this. If there is no atmosphere, you can imagine what would be the condition of earth.